Welcome to geometry. Today we are exploring a fundamental concept that unlocks the secrets of parallel lines, the corresponding angles postulate. First, let's set the stage. We need two parallel lines like lines M and N here. Remember, parallel lines never touch. Then we cut through them with a third line called a transversal, shown here in red. This creates two intersections. When a transversal cuts two lines, it creates three distinct zones. The interior region is the sandwich filling between the two lines. The exterior regions are the bread on the top and bottom. Knowing these regions helps us locate angles. So, what are corresponding angles? Think of them as angles in the same spot. In our diagram, look at angle A at the top intersection. It is in the top right position. Now look at angle B at the bottom intersection. It is also in the top right position. They correspond to each other. Here is the golden rule you need to memorize. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. This means angle 1 is exactly equal to angle 2. But be careful, this is only true if the lines are parallel. Why is this true? Imagine sliding the top line down along the transversal. Because the lines are parallel, the angles don't change direction. The top intersection fits perfectly over the bottom one. That is why the angles must be equal. Let's try a problem. We are given two parallel lines and an angle of 120 degrees. We need to find x. Notice that the 120-degree angle and angle x are both in the top left position. Since the lines are parallel, x must also be 120 degrees. Now for some algebra. We have an angle of 3x plus 10 and a corresponding angle of 70 degrees. Because the lines are parallel, we set them equal to each other. 3x plus 10 equals 70. Subtract 10 to get 60, then divide by 3. X equals 20. This rule works backward too. If you see two lines cut by a transversal, and you notice the corresponding angles are equal, that proves the lines are parallel. This is a powerful tool for writing proofs. To wrap up, corresponding angles are in the same relative position. If lines are parallel, the angles are equal. If the angles are equal, the lines are parallel. A great tip is to look for an F shape formed by the lines. The angles inside the corners of the F are your corresponding angles.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.